Former governor of Ekiti State and big PDP member Fayose don tok say him no go ever leave PDP join another party, not even APC, even though he believe in President Bola Ahmed Tinubu leadership. Fayose tok dis one when him dey speak to Tori pipo after him go greet Tinubu for Lagos during Sallah. The former governor explain say im visit to Tinubu na personal matter. Im tok say Naija pipo need to encourage the president to continue the good work wey im dey do. When dem ask am why big pipo like am for opposition party dey visit the president, Fayose come yarn say im don always believe in Tinubu leadership since when im still dey as PDP governor for Ekiti State. When dem also ask am about all these politicians wey dey jump from one party go another, Fayose tok say im visit no get any connection with that. Im yarn say im no go ever leave PDP. Im still tok say those wey recently jump from PDP go APC get their reasons, say some na because of Tinubu performance and some na because of the wahala wey dey tear PDP apart. Fayose even tok say PDP go soon turn to dead body. Im still use style praise the current governor of Ekiti State sake of the correct work wey him dey do for the state.
Well, my visit is personal to further encourage him to continue to do what he's doing for Nigerians. No one is saying it is easy, but there's no miracle that can turn around things overnight. But for the little the president has done, we must commend him. I was one time critic of the last administration, but you cannot compare the situation now. So for me, I'm here, one, to take the opportunity of his homecoming, to visit him, and to encourage him to do more for Nigerians.
Your Excellency, we know you quite well of the other party, and this is another party ruling, but you so much have trust and hope in this man. Why that?
Well, even while I was in office as a PDP governor, sitting governor, I've always believed in his leadership. And I did not hide my support for him, even before he became the president. And the only thing we can do as leaders of this country today is to continue to encourage him to lift up his hands, to make the public understand how uneasy it is to lead an economy that is down and today is being stabilized. You see, there's a difference between things changing outrightly. There's no miracle. But stabilizing the economy, stabilizing the currency, and few courageous steps the president has taken and the achievement of his administrations put hopes in tomorrow for all of us. But let me first of all clear this. Fayose will not move from PDP to any political party, not even APC. I am this year 65 years. It's within the choices of those who have chosen to move. Some said they saw what the president is doing. Some said they believe that the party is in trouble. And without doubt, the PDP is in trouble. And that's the gospel truth. And I believe that if they don't quickly take steps, the party in itself will become carcass. That is the truth. I am no more the governor of a state. The little contribution I can make, I made it while I was on the seat. I was the hotbed when I was governor of Ekiti State. Everybody in the country knows that. So I can't speak for the people moving, but I want to tell you that if nothing drastic is done about the PDP, the party will become carcass.
Are you fully a party now?
Of course. Of course. That was why I first of all said to you, nothing will make me move from PDP to another party. The moment I'm no more in PDP, I would rather leave politics, party politics. Well, we have a governor who is doing very well. Abiodun Abayomi Oyebanji, governor of Ekiti State, doing very, very well. All the former governors in the state are behind him. And for us, Ekiti is not about the party you belong to. It's our primary constituency. It is by the unity of that state that the people can benefit. So for us, I just asked Mr. President, let me put this right now. I just asked Mr. President expressly, because the last time I was here, I told him, what is your take on the governor, Governor Ibanji? He told me that is where he is. And I asked him again, because of rumor and counter rumor, his position on the current governor of Ekiti State to run the second time. And he told me, Ayo, that is where I am. Remain there. And I will remain with the governor.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Ohifemi Onosimoa, TMC News.